See, this one went all the way to the other side. I mean, this is a little thicker because he lost the cap. This one is good. When he lost the cap, I have different solutions for it. Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Very simple process, guys. We just want to insert it back in here. This is the position, okay, guys? From that side over here, because it has to enter this area over here first. If you attempt to do it the other way, it might not work. So it's already in place, guys. It's that simple. This is a non really complicated process. This panel is quite big, quite large. Let me move my equipment out of the way. Okay, we got it better, I think. You guys can see the whole thing, yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna proceed to start to bolt down this thing with my drill. Let's put one of these. The one for Honda, it will not make big difference. These are Phillips, guys, okay? This is just to put the alignment back in place. Fantastic. Same here, guys. So you want to be sure that it's all the way down. Now, all this area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you have to use the short ones. 1, 2, 3, you can use the long versions. The long versions we're saying is these ones. These are number 8 for half an inch. That's what I call them, the long ones. So just so you know, I'm gonna put one right here, and that's the way to hold them, Steven. That's why you were asking if you use an epoxy. I don't like epoxy. It's messy, it takes forever. This process is more simple, as we can see. I already have the 3 right there. I'm just gonna proceed and do my Honda screws. You can find it in the junkyard, guys, or when I do panels for Hondas, I replace them with the 1/4, the half an inch. I use this one and I replace them for the Honda, so I give them those and I keep these ones because I know they're special, and in the Honda you don't really tell the difference. Right here is critical that you don't go over it, so you have to have the right size, and these ones are ideal. Yeah, so they don't go to the other side. You see, this one went all the way to the other side. I mean, this is a little thicker because he lost the cap. This one is good. When he lost the cap, I have different solutions for it. So you can put a thick one like this, but I think it's too long. I find the original that is supposed to go there. Let me see what else I got for that. I got this one. Yeah, it will do the trick. It's just that it's a Phillips. Phillips. Let's try this little Phillips. And it did the trick. There you have it. And the last part, guys, we're gonna put another staple there. And now guys, we can put back our insulation. And for that one I use 1/4 staples. Okay, the way to use these staples, guys, I'm gonna put it in the area that I know is plenty of space underneath, just to hold this insulation. So like right here, I'm gonna use this one. Right here, I don't have to worry about anything. Everywhere I do it. Here, we're gonna use this one. I run out of staples. You don't need this special. This is a very long nose staple. Again, guys, you don't need that kind of thing. Any staple will do it. Yeah, don't go beyond 1/4. And this one was there, just like that, guys. Still have his own adhesive. Now we have our insulation back in place, and we can put our weather strip. I think I have one missing somehow. I think I did. Let's see. Yep, one is missing here, apparently. Or you just grab underneath, I think. Okay, let's see. Everything goes fine, and yeah, this one just grab like that. And you just fold the legs, guys, and there you have it. That was your panel. Like this, and that's the way, Steven, that you're gonna be doing this to reassemble your panel. And this is gonna be the final result. I didn't want it to put it like that because of the gummy thing from the previous panel. And as you can see, everything is in place. It doesn't have any screw going across. And that's exactly what you were looking for. So the next thing to do, guys, is to put the panel back into the car. And that's what you process for the insert, door panel removal, and how to put it back. And in this particular case, this guy has this design, the outlaw. So, but you can do it in any other designs. When it comes to the phone, guys, be mindful about how thick is your phone. If you go 1/4, I think it's gonna be too much, which is what we have. 336 might be good. There is many alternatives, so you just have to make a decision in that sense. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Suggestions, recommendation, questions, please put it in the comments. And it was my pleasure demonstrating this process, and I'll see you guys in the next one.